Hello friend, welcome to Bricks Embedded System tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use OR gate operations to change or to set any bit of any variable. So here we are going to use OR gate on port B. To start with, we have connected 6 bit of port B to 6 LEDs. Next we have set the DDR to 255. Next, this statement port B OR equals 1 shift 0. This statement will actually make the 0th bit of port B high. Similarly, this statement will change the first bit of port B high. Similarly, this will change the second bit of port B high, third bit of port B high, fourth bit of port B high, and this last statement will change the fifth bit of port B to high. And at the end we have written the port B equal to 0, so that all the bits will again become 0 and the process will repeat. So let's transfer this code to the magic board and see the behavior of LED blinking. So again, to transfer we need to press the reset button, click on compile and transfer, and the code will get transferred. Now you can see that the LEDs connected to the port B, all the LEDs are glowing, but it's one by one. First LED, 0th LED, then first LED, then second LED, and so on up to 5th LED. And as I have written port B equal to 0, all the LEDs will switch off at the end. So that's all for OR gate. We use OR gate operation whenever we want to make any one bit of any variable high. So that's all for this tutorial. Please keep watching our tutorials to learn more about embedded system. Thank you.